Hello and welcome to this Easysitebuilder tutorial. With the Easysitebuilder, you can create and edit your website. But if you already have a website and want to import it into the Sitebuilder for easy editing, I'll show you how it works. But before we begin, be sure to open the website that you want to import in another tab. You'll start at this template page after opening the website builder for the first time. Navigate to the last function on the left, called Website Import. Now before we go on, open the other tab with your website, copy the link, and paste it into the box provided. Now you just have to click on Import. Please wait until the website has successfully imported. This might take a while. And that's it. Now that your website has been successfully imported, you can start editing it with the Easysitebuilder. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.